Hello, it's Maximin. Today I would like to share with you a simple self-massage exercise to practice day after day. Arms relaxed along your body, try to connect to the energy of the earth with your feet, as if your feet were entering the ground. Take deep root. Then connect the point at the top of your head with the energy of the sky. We call it the 100 meetings. We will start the exercise with a rotating movement. As you can see, the body remains straight as you go. You can try to look further and further behind. And the movement stops gently. Rub your hands vigorously to stimulate energy flow and circulation, especially to the fingertips. Then, massage the scalp, focusing on the sides. To energize, finally, use your fingers like claws to comb through the hair from front to back. Next, rub the forehead, left, right, with a side-to-side motion. Then, gently press key acupressure points around the eyes. First, at the inner corner of the eyebrows, the middle of the eyebrows, by the outer ends of the eyebrows. Next, near the eye's external canthus. Finally, just below the eyes. Then, form a small claw shape with your index finger. Gently trace over the points you just stimulated. Next, press on the temples, on the Tai Yang point, using circular motions with gentle pressure. Gradually, move this motion toward the back of the head. Rub the sides of the nose and the 2 points located on either side of the nostrils. Form a V with your fingers. Rub around the ears to warm them up. Then, gently massage the earlobe, then pull it downward. Next, fold the ear and cover it with one hand, then softly tap on your hand with our other hand. Let's do the other side the same way. With the index fingers, make an alternating movement above and below the mouth. Next, pinch the chin and move upward toward the earlobes. Press the points located under the occiput, which are essential for dispelling wind, relaxing the neck, and strengthening vision. Press the neck and trapezius muscles. If you need more strength or desire a deeper massage, close your thumb and use the phalanx to apply firmer pressure. This will create a deeper massage. Then, rub the neck. Directing the energy downward. Then form a V with your index and middle fingers. Then pass them above and below the collarbone. You can work on one side at a time or both sides simultaneously. Okay. Form a bird's beak shape with your fingers. Strike simultaneously the point just below the collarbone and the point a little below the armpit. Repeat on the other side. Rub with the sides of the hands along the ribs from top to bottom, starting at the top and gradually moving down. Repeat the same for the back. Then, perform an alternating movement, releasing suddenly downwards. I will demonstrate again from the front. Alternate the movement, moving down, and then push everything down suddenly. Rub the abdomen in circular motions, moving clockwise to promote digestion if constipated. If you tend to have soft stools or diarrhea, move counterclockwise. If there are no specific issues, make an equal number of circles in both directions. Next, rub the area under the navel, in the pelvis region. In Chinese medicine, this is an important energy center, known as the Dan Tian. Rub energetically, then gently tap the area with a closed fist. Soft taps, not too hard. This tapping helps relax and energize the area. Move to the lumbar area and rub the entire region. This area is important as it houses the kidneys, which are essential for good health in Chinese medicine. Use a clenched fist to rub and apply pressure with the phalanges. Then, gently tap the entire area. Including along the spine. Next, work on the sacrum. Rub and tap gently. Strike the buttocks by lifting them upward. Continue with the arms, palms facing upward. Tap as you move downward, then flip the hands over and tap the other side while moving upward. Try to reach behind the shoulders. Next, continue the movement, rubbing in the same direction. This specific motion helps stimulate energy and blood circulation in the meridians. Afterward, you can even accelerate. Repeat the same on the other side. And increase the speed. Continue with the legs by tapping on the back and outer sides while moving downward. Then move upward along the inner side. Repeat the same technique as with the arms. Rub the back and outer sides of the legs as you move downward. Then move upward along the inner side. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.